In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule tasks in Notion, all in just about 5 minutes. We'll go step by step through setting up a task management system using Notion's powerful organizational tools. Let's get started by learning how to seamlessly integrate and manage your tasks in Notion's intuitive interface. First, you need to open Notion. If you're not already familiar with this tool, Notion is a versatile application that combines note-taking, task management, and organization all into one neat package. Make sure you're logged into your Notion account and have your workspace ready for action. Once you have Notion open, the next step is to create a simple tasks database. This will be the foundation for managing all your to-dos. Creating a database in Notion is straightforward. Simply navigate to your workspace and select Add a Page. From there, choose Database and name it something like Tasks. This will create a blank slate for organizing all the tasks you need to manage. With your tasks database ready, now it's time to add a new view. Look for the option to Add View at the top of your database. This is where you can customize how you want to see your tasks. When you click to add a new view, you'll be given several options. Select Calendar. This allows you to see your tasks displayed in a calendar format, which is incredibly useful for visualizing deadlines and scheduling tasks efficiently. With your calendar setup, you can easily drag and drop tasks right onto specific dates. This intuitive functionality helps ensure that you can quickly rearrange and assign tasks based on priority and deadlines. Simply click and hold the task you want to schedule and drop it onto the desired date on the calendar. It's a flexible way to make sure everything is planned out. Additionally, you can click directly on a date in the calendar to add a task. This method is perfect for those who have a specific task in mind for a particular day. When you select a date, a small window will pop up, allowing you to customize your task details. To add a new task on the selected date, click New. This will allow you to type in the name of your task. Be specific here so that you have a clear understanding of what needs to be accomplished. You can also add additional details or properties if needed, like setting priority levels or noting task categories. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've set up a functioning task management system in Notion. By using the calendar view, you can keep your tasks organized and accessible, helping ensure you stay on top of your work. Notion's flexibility and ease of use truly make it a valuable tool for managing tasks efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to take full advantage of Notion's task scheduling capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.